Hey guys, today we have an HP gaming laptop here. We're going to be upgrading the memory from 8 gigs to 16. Let's get right into it. Alright, of course the first thing you want to do is power down your machine, disconnect your power cord, and let's close the lid and turn it over. So with this particular HP laptop, we got 4 screws here up in the front and 4 in the back. Let's get them unscrewed. Now once you get all the screws out, let's go ahead and pop this top off. Once you have the top removed, now we need to locate our memory here, which yours could be towards the middle or here to the side. And let's go ahead and pull the pins and slide the old memory out. Now we take our new memory and put it into the old spot. Here it's nice and snug and snap it into place. Now that we have the new memory installed, let's go ahead and remove the old memory and put the cover back on it. Now just work on getting all 8 screws back in where they're supposed to go. Alright, we went ahead and plugged in our power cord, we turned our machine on. Now we went to the about page and you can clearly see we had 16 gigs of memory now. So the upgrade was successful. Hope this video was helpful and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.